this is the road that we're gonna take to the top of the mountain. What's the name of the mountain?
Samplon.
We supposed to hop on a special train all the way to Mount Samplo, in which we booked the night before. And supposed to put the car inside the train to conserve battery, but we were 1 minute late, so we missed it and had no choice but to go using the car. The thing is, if we didn't miss the train, we couldn't have been exposed to these spots on our way, which are gorgeous. Missing a seemingly opportunity doesn't always mean that you lose something. Most times, you gain a better, unexpected one.
So thirsty.
Yep.
We needed to pee, and guess what we discovered? This! It's the first time in my life where I was so happy and celebratory missing the train. So we went all the way down to get closer to this spot. Traveling or moving to another country is an incredible vehicle for self and social awareness and personal growth because, as Mark Manson says, it extricates you from the values of your culture and shows you that another society can live with entirely different values and still function. Also, because of cultural diversity, you would be more fascinated with other people's life stories and characters, which makes the travel more exciting. At the same time, you'll be more curious and proud of your own culture and share it with them with excitement.
It's the old one here.
This is the boundary between Switzerland and Italy.
Shit, there's another
Boundary?
Yeah.
Hello? Dove andate signori?
Andate? Locarno.
A Locarno?
Yeah, Locarno.
Camping to declare for Italian custom?
Camping. What is it?
Camping?
No. What do you say?
Anything to declare?
Oh, anything? No, nothing.
No?
Nothing. It's okay. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, bye.
Camping. You said. Yum yum yum.
Okay, good.
C'est très bon.
This guy's hot when he's speaking French.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
We're here in Locarno.
You and I, we got it.
Beautiful, mate.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through.
Locarno is one of the warmest cities in Switzerland, which is part of Ticino region.
Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight.
Piazza Grande is one of the most popular squares, which is highly recognized in Switzerland and worldwide.
Things are finally right.
It attracts thousands of visitors every year because it hosts international events like Locarno Film Festival, Food Truck Festival, and Open Market every Thursday.
We don't need no more.
It has a lot of beautiful and colorful buildings everywhere and cute streets.
You and I can weather any storm.
Hello? What are you doing here? You need to pay $100 each.
From moving to different countries, I also learned that beyond any race, language, or culture, people pick up the energy you bring on the table.
Sante.
I'm gonna be high, maybe. It's like school restaurants.
Cool. How is it?
It's really good.
Yeah? Crebo?
Look at that. So simple. Voilà. Are you recording that?
No. Of course not.